Great things in business are never done by one person, they are done by a team of people. Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Business Bang. Discipline is the next principle that is crucial not only in the organization but also in our personal lives. We have been brought up in the society where discipline has been taught to us from the roots. When we are in a classroom, we need to follow certain rules of the class to ensure that we are able to grasp everything from it. Failing to do so invites a scold from the teacher. A classic example of discipline can be taken from the army. The way they align perfectly in a march, the way they raise their voice together, the way they remain away from their families. It has so much to teach about discipline. When we are at home, we follow some rules like washing our hands regularly, obeying our parents, keeping our home clean. Similarly, an investor also follows discipline by being regular in his investings throughout his investing period. Well, the idea behind recalling all such examples is nothing other than awareing you with the fact that this is not a new term for us. As Henry Fayol stated discipline as obeying the organizational rules and regulations and employment agreements. To make this principle effective, it is essential that the managers at all levels should be fair enough in their actions and decisions. The job agreements should be fair for both the employer and employees, and penalties should be levied in a fair manner if the rules are disobeyed. Management has a very important role here. If the manager is partial or unfair, the discipline would be at stake. Let's look at an example. As we are aware of the fact that due to the long lockdown period, many companies would be reporting huge losses because of low demand for products. Similarly, suppose Tata Motors is in huge loss. The labor union entered into an agreement with the management that they will work overtime without any extra pay till the company comes out of losses. और इसके बदले में मैनेजमेंट ने भी प्रॉमिस किया दैट द वेजेस ऑफ वर्कर्स विल बी इंक्रीज्ड वंस द कंपनी स्टार्ट्स अर्निंग प्रॉफिट्स. अब अगर यहाँ डिसिप्लिन प्रिंसिपल फॉलो किया जाता है तो इट वुड मीन दैट मैनेजमेंट और लेबर्स दोनों ही अपने कमिटमेंट्स को फुलफिल करें. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि अपना काम निकलने के बाद मैनेजमेंट ये बोल दे कि भाई कौन सा एग्रीमेंट, काम करना है तो करो वरना जाओ. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? लेट्स लुक एट वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. Suppose in a Domino's restaurant, it is mandatory for the whole staff to be in uniform along with caps and gloves. One day, a male employee was found working without cap for no reason, and the manager fined him with rupees 500. Another day, a female employee was found repeating the same mistake. Now, it is expected from that manager to apply the same penalty on her without any discrimination. The principle of discipline thus calls for obeying the organizational rules without any prejudice.